How to reset TradingView charts. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset TradingView charts in 2025. So first of all, you have to open a new tab and search for tradingview.com and sign into your account. And let's say you were working with this chart. So as you can see, we have just copied a candle and did something else, and we just need to reset it. So for that, we have to simply go to the settings option from here. And after clicking on settings, we have to click on the canvas options, and on the left lower corner, as you can see, a template option here. You just have to click on that, and you have to select apply defaults, and you have to click on OK. And after that, you have to come here and explore the settings from here. As you can see, lock all drawings, keep drawings, remove objects. You just have to simply click on the arrow from here. As you can see, remove one drawing, remove zero indicators, and the last option is called remove one drawing as zero indicators. You just have to simply click on here, and as you can see, the chart has been cleared and reset. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.